Hello guys, welcome back to Global SMC Forex Trading. So on this video, it's not going to be long, but I just decided to share something a little bit. The first thing that I'm going to talk about, when you come to Forex Trading, the thing that you are seeking for is profitability, or the consistent profitability in Forex Trading. But at the same time, you have to ask yourself, how do I become profitable in Forex trading, right? So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is there is no strategy that is profitable. There is no strategy that is profitable. There are a lot of people that are searching for strategies, thinking that let me place it in red so that you guys will understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, there are a lot of people outside there who are looking for a perfect strategy to be profitable in Forex, which is something that really doesn't exist. There is no strategy that is really profitable that you can say, no, this strategy, if I use it for a long time, I'm going to be profitable. But what makes profitability is not the strategy, but what makes profitability is your system. You understand? What makes profitability is your forex trading, system. Um, this topic is a very essential topic that people, they don't really talk much about it, but it's something that when you're starting forex trading, you have to know this so that you won't spend much time, or even when you are doing your research. So now, what do you mean by forex trading system? You realize that there are many types of forex trading strategy. There is what we call smart money. We have retail trading. So I have to give these examples. These are the ones that I chose for example. So let's go on smart money and retail trading. So what happens now is I can't really say smart money concept is more profitable than retail uh, trading strategy. No, but what makes profitability is not that you are trading smart money or you are trading retail trading, but it comes back again to something that we have said, which is forex trading system. What makes profitability is not the strategy that you use. So let me put an X on this one, an X here, and an X again here. These X's are, it's not smart money concept of retail trading that makes profitability. This is what these X's means. But what makes profitability is the forex trading system. So now, what do you mean by forex trading system? So I want to share with you something that I really know, that I have used, and some of them I have tested, and some of them I'm still testing them. But it's something that can even also help you. The first thing is is what you call psychology trading. Psychology trading. This is something that you can be taught when you are doing forex trading, but it's something that you can manage by yourself. What do you mean by psychology trading? Psychology trading is when, let's say, your setup presents and you want to get into the trade. We don't know what really happens sometimes. Sometimes the trade might just go, or the trade might just run aggressively, and you'll be shocked, like, oh, should I enter, should I exit, or what should I do? This is something that really matters the most, because even if you learn these strategies, this smart money concept, this retail trading concept, as long as this psychological thing is still on you, you can still be making losses, because sometimes you believe in trade, sometimes you're scared, sometimes you're even closing the trade while the market is still going down, and you are seeing that the market is going down like this, and your psychology is telling you like close, the market is going to come up. You understand? So the more you start to develop this kind of a strategy or this kind of psychology, sometimes you will be angry when you start to see the market going down and down, and you'll be like, oh, why did I do this? I was supposed to just hold my trade and make some good cash or stuff. So what do you mean? How do we handle this thing? For you to handle this kind of a thing, you have to form what we call a trading system, right? What is a trading system? After knowing, whenever you are doing your trade, make sure you make what you call journals. You have somewhere that you write or down or not down your trade, so that when you go over them, you can even read your psychological statement. If you have a pen or a paper, whereby when you enter the trade, you write down how you felt or what really happened when you entered the trade, so that when you go back to those psychology statement that you have noted down, you can even improve the way how you trade, right? This is the first thing. Then the second thing, we have what you call risk management. We have what you call risk management. Let me write it in caps. Risk management. This one again is something which is really important, right? This is something which is also really important. So where do we imply this now? Guys, you have to know something with forex trading. When you are doing forex trading, it's not that we enter the market targeting this Instagram or these Instagram post moves. You understand? There are some people who really likes to post like these big moves or these impulsive big moves. This is not the reason why we trade to catch these moves, but the reason why we are trading is to even catch these small moves, but making sure that these moves are getting us profit or are increasing our profitability. So now, how do you do risk management, or how do you master risk management? So I think on these topics, I will do them in future, maybe in detail or in depth, but for the meantime, I'm just saying something basic, and at the same time is something that can even show you the way out. So what do we mean by risk management? You have to know, or you have a system whereby when you enter the trade, either, let's say, if it was me, if I entered the trade, right, for me to know that I'm not targeting the whole market, maybe I'll say for every trade that I'm doing, I'm just targeting like 10 pips. You understand? So which means in every trade that I'm going to enter, I'm targeting 10 pips. Whether I'm seeing that no, this move or this market might even go to this, I don't even care about that, but my target is always like 10 pips. Let's just write it down, maybe for the sake of educational purposes. So let's say 10 pips, like something like maybe waste 10 pips, let's say like this, or maybe my stop loss is like 1.4 pips. You understand? I did a vice versa, but I'm just doing this for the educational purposes. Or let me make it like this, maybe, so that it okay, this is my target, this is my stop loss, right? So let's say I'm targeting the buy, right? So which means when the market moves, I'm targeting only these moves, and the market, when it's going a vice versa, is just going to take me out like this. You understand? So the more you start to develop something like this, no matter how the market behaves, you always know that no, I have my trading system. Either the price is going to reach 10 pips, or is either the price is going to have a stop loss, or is going to hit my stop loss like with maybe 2 pips. You understand? 2 pips. So now what I'm telling you guys now, this is now something that makes you profitable. You are developing a system. You're not even developing a strategy or the candlestick strategy or whatever strategy, but you are developing a system that can even help you psychologically. especially when the market starts to behave the either way, you always be the best in terms of forex management system. Then after risk management, right? Let me also maybe lower this down. On risk management again, you have to know again how to, let me write this. You also have to know how to manage your trades as they are going to your direction. This is a very big topic, and which is something that I'll also go deep and deep as we go. What do you mean by that? Well, what do you mean by how to manage your trades as they are going up? Sometimes, there's some point of time that when you're trading, right, you actually don't know how the market is behaving. That's why sometimes the reason why I say personally I recommend smart money concept, because now smart money is something that you can even go deep with it and also know how to manage your trades as they are going to your direction. So what do you mean by that? Let me just keep it like brief, you understand? Let's say maybe you wanted to enter this trade and this was your entry, maybe just for the educational purposes. This was your short, right? You understand? This was your short, maybe this was your short, and maybe you're targeting this black line that I've drawn. So what are we saying now? By the time that the price gets to this point, you should have your management system, or the way how you manage your trade as it's going down, so that for in case maybe the price moved to even halfway, even if it goes up, it's not going to affect you by this by this breakout or this stop loss hit. Maybe you have your management system that you have developed, but you don't know really much about it. You can even start it by saying maybe if the trades goes by let's say 5 pips, then I lock or I lower down my stop loss, so that when it comes it will be a break even. Now it won't be a stop loss hit, or use price action to even manage your trade. So you see, these kind of things, it's not even a strategy that I'm talking about, but it's just a system that you're teaching yourself, that when you're doing trade, right, you won't get yourself involved with these psychological things, or you never be mad about even the trade, how it's going, or whatever the trade is doing, right? And the last thing now, which I want to talk about after psychological trading or risk management, which is something that I'm going to talk like the last thing that I'm going to talk about. Okay, this is the main thing, the main important thing. Always trade the system. Always trade the system, not the money. What do I mean by that? There are some lot. We know that in forex, of course, yes, we are doing it for money, right? But when you're trading now, if you install the mindset of money in your head, or whenever you're trading, you're just considering your phone, you're seeing those $10 or those $100 move, and you really want to close because you want to buy some shoes or some t-shirt or even some iPhones. That is the only thing that is in your mind, but not considering that by any circumstance, either if you hold, you're going to get twice or even times five the amount that you want to close, or if you wait, you're going to even lose more than what you were thinking. So what do I mean? Like, as for instance, me myself, what I do, in every trade that I place. If I place a trade, I close my phone, then I really focus on the chart. Like, what do I mean by that, right? Let's say I placed a trade, right? This is my trade that I've placed like this. I'll be looking at these charts, like how are they behaving? Oh, where is it now? So what's the possibility of the next move? So what's really happening? You understand? So that even if the market decides to come here, maybe it stops me out like this, I'll always know the reason why it happened, because I'm focused on the chart. But when I'm focused on the money, you understand, you're focused on the money. If you're focused on the money, you live like the trade like this, you understand. Then you're like, let me check my phone. Oh, $20. Oh, 40. Oh, 100. Oh, 150. You understand? Then if the price now starts to go up, this is when now we were talking about psychology trading. That's when you start to feel like, should I close, should I exit? So which is something that will never make you profitable, because you're not even following your strategy. You're using your emotions, you're using your anxiety, or you're eager to have money. You're like, maybe you have some financial issues, but you want to fix them on that single trade that you just entered, and you'll be like, no, on this trade I'm going to pay all the bills, I'm going to fix everything on it, which is not actually what trading it is. So for today, guys, this is something that I just said for you, and I hope to those people who really want to be profitable, if you really follow what I'm saying or what I was saying, this is going to change even your trading system, or even the way how you trade, because we can't just teach you guys to just go over the market, how to just get all these moves without even knowing these things that might seem as if it's a small thing, or is something that you can just learn by yourself. No, this itself can even require more mentorship to know how to do this. But as a matter of time, I'm going to go deep, especially on psychological trading, like how to handle psychological trading, how to do this risk management system, how to even manage your trades as they are going down, how to do this smart money concept, how to always trade even the system. Like, of course, after all this, that's when you start to become profitable in forex trading. So otherwise, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you want more information about forex trading, of course, we're going to be providing maybe the details like below. You just check, and also join a profitable community, or a place where also other traders are, whereby we also share some information. And trading is a good thing if you just follow your strategy. Trading is not even bad, it's something that is enjoyable. But always know that when you come to do forex, right, just make sure that of course you are financially okay, so that trading won't increase your financial crisis. So for the sake of this video, let's just do the recap, then I sign out. So what were we talking about? We're talking about profitability. You have your forex trading system. When you're doing smart money or trading or retail trading, these two strategies, they don't even determine the profitability, no. But what determines the profitability is what is forex trading system, which is something that we're talking about: psychological trading, risk management, how to manage your trades as they are going to your direction, and to always trade the system, no, not the money. You understand? So guys, I think this is making sense now. So always share to your friend to also see these videos. And guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, so that you always see these benefiting videos. Thank you for your time. I appreciate. Bye.